First reading, Hebrews chapter 7 verse 25 to 8 verse 6. It follows, then, that his power to save those who come to God through him is absolute, since he lives forever to intercede for them, such as the high priest that met our need, holy, innocent and uncontaminated, set apart from sinners, and raised up above the heavens. He has no need to offer sacrifices every day, as the high priests do, first for their own sins and only then for those of the people. This he did once and for all by offering himself. The law appoints high priests who are men subject to weakness, but the promise on oath, which came after the law, appointed the Son who is made perfect forever. The principal point of all that we have said is that we have a high priest of exactly this kind. He has taken his seat at the right of the throne of divine majesty in the heavens, and he is the minister of the sanctuary and of the true tent which the Lord, and not any man, set up. Every high priest is constituted to offer gifts and sacrifices. And so this one too must have something to offer. In fact, if he were on earth, he would not be a priest at all, since there are others who make the offerings laid down by the law, though these maintain the service only of a model or a reflection of the heavenly realities, just as Moses, when he had the tent to build, was warned by God, who said, "See that you work to the design that was shown you on the mountain." As it is, he has been given a ministry as far superior as is the covenant of which he is the mediator, which is founded on better promises. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 40 verse 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 10, 17. Then I said, "Here I am coming. In the scroll of the book it is written of me, my delight is to do your will, your law, my God, is deep in my heart. I proclaim the saving justice of Yahweh in the great assembly. See, I will not hold my tongue, as you well know. I have not kept your saving justice locked in the depths of my heart, but have spoken of your constancy and saving help. I have made no secret of your faithful and steadfast love. In the great assembly, poor and needy as I am, the Lord has me in mind. You, my helper, my Savior, my God, do not delay." Gospel, Mark chapter 3 verse 7 to 12. Jesus withdrew with his disciples to the lakeside, and great crowds from Galilee followed him. From Judea, and from Jerusalem, and from Idumea and Transjordan and the region of Tyre and Sidon, great numbers who had heard of all he was doing came to him, and he asked his disciples to have a boat ready for him because of the crowd, to keep him from being crushed. For he had cured so many that all who were afflicted in any way were crowding forward to touch him, and the unclean spirits, whenever they saw him, would fall down before him and shout, "You are the Son of God," but he warned them strongly not to make him known.